Hey everyone, it's Lisa from Moon Prism Planner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome if you're new here. Either way, thanks for clicking and watching and spending some time with me today. Today I'm going to be memory planning for the week of December 14th in my medium vertical recollections planner. This is a kit by the Giving Girl. If you want to see how I already got to this point where I've already pre-planned out my week and put these stickers down, I will have that video linked down below, or it'll pop up in the cards so you can just give it a watch. And that way you know how we got here. But for this video, I'm just going to be going in day by day and just doing a little bit of memory keeping with how my day went and things that I did and, you know, things that happened or whatever. So let's go ahead and get started with Monday. So to start Monday, I'm going to take a rescheduled script from the Giving Girl and just place that over the glittering lights, because that's pretty much all I had room to do for Monday, and we just ended up not going to the glittering lights on Monday, so that's all I did. I wrote for my gratitude blood pressure lower, because my husband has hypertension and he started a new medication which actually finally worked, because the medication he had been taking prior just was like not lowering his blood pressure, and so once he started it was lower, and I was like really happy. Tuesday, again, I don't have room to really memory plan. In fact, I had to use a little sticky note page flag down there to pop in a doctor's appointment for my mom, so I really had no room. I just took a bow divider from the Giving Girl and wrote "closed my rings" on Tuesday for my gratitude. For Wednesday, I am going to take a half box, kind of like a scalloped half box from the kit, and then this page flag that I layered with like a little pointy arrow thingy. I tried to use that during my plan with me, but it didn't work, so I just saved it. Those are from the kit, and then I have this cute little divider from Honey Inked. And I'm gonna go ahead and use this cute little coffee cup thingy from Brianna and Nicole Designz, just to mark that we did finally go to the glittering lights, and we stopped at Panera to get some like hot cocoa and tea before we went there. That was such a fiasco. I have never experienced. It was a 4-hour wait in the line to get into the glittering lights, which is like, I've never had to wait that long and we've been going for years. So that was wild. I talked about that a little bit more in my plan with me. But for my gratitude, I was still, grateful that we got to saw the lights, because they're always so pretty and so nicely done. And I closed my rings again. For Thursday, I am going to take a half box. Is it half? It's maybe it's a third or something, from the kit. And that's just to mark my son had like a virtual doctor's appointment. So I'm going to take a little circular starry foiled deco bit from Cozy Paper Co. That's a shop that I PR for. And then I have a transparent dot from the Giving Girl and a stethoscope bow doodled icon from Dash of Sun Designs. So that's just to mark, my son had his little teledoctor appointment. And then for a divider in between those two, that weird area right there or whatever, it's kind of an awkward white space. I'm going to take another bow divider from the Giving Girl and then layer it with a couple of these cute, I don't know what these are like baby flowers. Yeah, they're like little tiny flowers from Honey Inked. And I just like to make a thicker divider for that Thursday. Then I'm going to take a star bowstring box from the Giving Girl. I love these so much. And this pretty pink colorway like complements the kit so well. And that's the lemonade color palette. So anyways, I'm going to take that and then a couple of dots from the transparent dots again, and then this cute little like envelope with a little doodly Christmas tree on it from that same Brianna and Nicole Designz sheet. Because I mailed out some Christmas cards on Thursday. I definitely did not mail as many as I'd liked to have, but I ran out of stamps. So yeah, I mailed what I could. And then just to go ahead and give that letter a cute little bow, I'm going to take a little bow from Sadie Stickers. And for the awkward white space that it created, I am going to place a little pen flourish embellishment from Honey Inked to go in that spot right there, just above the envelope. And for my gratitude for Thursday, I wrote rain and rings, because again, I closed my rings. I did so well on closing my rings this week, and I never do this well. So I kind of started just like adding another thing to be grateful for, because I usually always put my rings for my gratitude when I manage to close them, but I was like doing so well, which is like a problem I never thought I'd have. So anyways, it rained for like 5 minutes on Thursday. And so I wanted to add that in, but there was hardly any space. And so I included this adorable little bowstring label from the Giving Girl, and like a savage ripped off the bow from the sheet, but no matter. I just plucked it back on there, no problem. And then I used this cute little clear rain doodle icon from Cozy Paper Co. just to mark that it rained for 5 minutes, because I absolutely love it when it rains. I love the sound of rain. I love water in general. Maybe it's because I'm a Pisces, probably. But you know what, though? I don't like oceans, even though it's a fish sign. I don't know. Oceans just like freak me out because they're so deep. It's like, ew, what's down there, you know? But like little streams and like, you know, shallowish kind of rivers and I don't know, rain. I like that kind of water. Not that you asked. Anyways, moving on to Friday. So I had to go ahead and, after my son's doctor's appointment on Thursday, I had to Friday make a phone call so that we could get him booked with a one of his new, like, for his therapists for referrals. So I did put that in with a little quarter box from the kit and a couple of little icons from the kit. And then we just spent some time watching some Christmas movies on Friday. So I'm just going to layer a couple of flags in the kit because I thought that would look cute just layered like that. We have these long flags in the kit and I just want to use them, you know. And so I'm taking a family time script from Cozy and then a little heart deco icon from Honey Inked for marking some family time, because I didn't really have enough room to, you know, like include a bigger box to write in like the movie title and stuff like I like to do. So I just put family time. And then for my gratitude on Friday was just close rings again. Saturday, I'm just checking off my checklist, and sorry, the bottom of the day is a little bit off frame there because I just, you know, don't know how to YouTube. So I'm going to go ahead and take a quarter box from the kit and then a couple of little icons from the kit just to mark that I had to go to Kohl's. And I just did like the curbside pickup because I ordered some like Christmas storage. It was on sale and I figured it'd be the perfect time to jump on it because I really need, you know, more storage for my decorations. So pretty neat. You just, you know, go park in the curbside thing and let them know on the app when you're here. So they bring it out too and put it straight in your trunk. And then also we baked a ton of cookies. So I actually used this little sheet from next week's kit. There's a little preview for you if you haven't seen it, from Wild Summer Designs. And she's got the most adorable deco on that kit. And one of them is like, you know, baking cookies. And I thought it would be perfect to use for this week. So we made 8 dozen cookies, so many freaking cookies, and I have still like 5 more recipes to make. So make sure to follow me on Instagram if you want to check out all the cookies I've been baking. And I put in my movie that we watched, The Christmas Chronicles 2, for our movie night. And for Saturday's gratitude, I wrote Stronger and rings, because yet again I closed my rings. And I just wrote Stronger because, you know, I feel like these workouts that I've been doing, at first I couldn't even finish them. I could hardly like breathe. I felt like I was going to get nauseous doing these workouts, or usually that's cardio, or if it was more muscle, I've just felt like so sore for like 2 days straight afterwards. And it was just not a good, you know, 2-3 days straight. But now I can complete the workout and I never get like nauseous or sick, and I can even do the more intense instead of the modified stuff, and I'm not sore for like 2-3 days afterwards. I'm like a little sore, but like nowhere near, you know what I mean? It's just good to be stronger and feel stronger. So anyways, moving on to Sunday, it was Kristen's birthday from Wild Summer Designs, so I'm going to put that in my planner. I have this little birthday with the balloons from my like Destash binder, so I don't know who that's from, sorry. And I just used a little heart from Honey Inked for that. And then I did some editing on Sunday, so I used a little like silver flag from Sadie Stickers and a edit icon from Crafts by Thaowie with a little Sadie Stickers bow. And then I worked on more Christmas cards, so I just used a little box from the kit. And then below my checklist for that weird area there, I just used a little swirly design, Hemp and Flourish, I think, from Honey Inked. And I filled out my checklist. I still have to do my 3K giveaway, which is actually up right now on my Instagram. So make sure you follow me on there. I am closing it on Christmas Eve. And I wrote justice for my gratitude Sunday, because you've got to be grateful when you see justice being served. And that's about it for this memory plan with me. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up because it helps me out and I truly appreciate your support. Be sure you subscribe so you don't miss more of my videos. And definitely leave me a comment if you have a question about anything, or if you just want to say hi. I will say hi back and respond to all of my comments. Remember that you are loved, you are worthy, and you are enough just the way that you are. I hope that you all are well, stay safe, and have a wonderful rest of your week. I'll see you all in my next video. All right, take care. Bye.